Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be comparing some Primatek paints, three Primatek paints that are similar in color to a less expensive, just regular Daniel Smith Series 1. I think this is a Series 1. No, this is a Series 2, but because it's earth friendly, enviro friendly. So, first we have Red Fuchsite Genuine, and it's a Primatek color. And then we have Red Jasper Genuine. And then we have Piamatite Genuine, and it's a Primatek color. However, I only have a small tube of this, and it's kind of dried up, so I kind of did get some squeezed out, but I don't know how much of a good sample we're going to get from this. And then I just got enviro-friendly red iron oxide, but it is much less expensive than Red Jasper and all these Primatek colors. So we're going to take a sample, and I've squeezed a little dot out on them on this paper, and we're going to take it out. Because one thing, I do like Primatek colors. However, you know, I don't find myself reaching for them. And I'm really looking for a good granulating red. So here is the Red Fuchsite Genuine. Now it's pretty. It's got some sparkle in it. I'm finding out that it doesn't really show up when you have it in a painting that well, and especially if you put it behind glass, it doesn't show up hardly at all. So that is a pretty color. It's a real earthy reddish color. And now we'll go to this Red Jasper Genuine. So we'll get it. Now it looks a little bit more on the brown side. Similar, but just a little bit more earthy. And also I want to look at the granulation of these paints to see what we get once it dries out. And to do that, you know, you got to add a significant amount of water. So, okay, I'm going to let that dry. And this is this Piamatite Genuine. And it's kind of hard to re-wet. It looks very similar to the Red Jasper. We'll see what it does when it dries down. But the color looks very similar to the Red Jasper. And we'll see about the granulation as well. So I just don't think you need all of them. You know, there for a while I was like, oh, I have to have every color of Daniel Smith. But, you know, I don't use every color. So I want to be more budget friendly in the upcoming season. But I still enjoy Daniel Smith paints over any other brand that I have. So I'm going to do some comparisons to see. Okay, so now we'll let those dry. They're very similar in color. So now I'm going to do this red iron oxide and see how now this is a little bit more orange in color. It's got a stronger pigment, but it is a little bit more orangey. And we'll see how that granulates. I don't expect it to granulate much. Okay, so we'll let these dry down. We'll see what they do, and we'll come back and compare them. Okay, so these have dried down, and I have made my decision on which one I do like better. So, and what I'm going to repurchase. Now, I'm not going to repurchase this red fuchsia genuine. There's no granulation. There is that little bit of sparkle in there, and I don't know if you guys can see that or not with light. Yeah, maybe a little bit. And that is pretty, but once you get it behind glass, you just really can't see that. Now, this red jasper genuine, it's pretty in how it granulates, but it's not my favorite. And I do have a whole tube of it, so I will keep it and use it occasionally, maybe in landscapes would be pretty. But and this red iron oxide, it's just not the same. It is orange, and it doesn't have that more of a red undertone that I was looking for. So I'm going to, take that out of the mix. Now, this Pimentite genuine, I like that. I like that. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got some dark granulation. And I really enjoy this. So I just have a really little tube that I bought in a Primatek set. So I am going to repurchase this in a 15 ml tube. So this is the one I like the best. So I am going to get that. So that is my little comparison video today. So hope you guys have a good week and a good weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.